Hello everyone, I am glad to see you on my channel, and today we will prepare a salad with arugula and shrimp. For the salad, we will need shrimp, pre-peeled, arugula, avocado, tomatoes, olive oil and balsamic sauce. We send the shrimps to fry in olive oil until golden brown. While the shrimps are being fried, we cut the vegetables. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces. If your tomatoes are smaller than mine, then it will be enough to cut them in half. Peel the avocado and take out the bone. Cut the avocado into semicircles. We put arugula on a plate, then avocado, our tomatoes, and shrimp. We fill our salad with olive oil. I previously added spices and a pinch of salt to it. Next, add the balsamic sauce. The salad is ready. Enjoy its taste with friends and family. Bon appetit to everyone.